guide you through understanding the requirements, step-by-step account opening, security setup, and document verification process for setting up Elon Musk's new financial platform, X Money. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. X Money offers features like up to 6% APY, 3% cashback, and instant P2P payments on X. Because X Money is a financial service integrated with Cross River Bank, opening an account involves identity verification steps required by financial regulations. Before getting started, make sure you meet the basic eligibility criteria. You must be at least 18 years old and a U.S. resident with a verified U.S. phone number. You need an active X account in good standing. Each person can only enroll in X Money using one X account. If you manage multiple handles, ensure you select your primary account before enrolling. X Payments LLC is not an FDIC-insured bank directly. Deposit accounts are provided through Cross River Bank, which is an FDIC member and insured up to $250,000. Here is the step-by-step onboarding process. Open the X app on your mobile device and navigate to the Money tab in the main menu. Tap Get Started and review and accept the account opening documents. Enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on official government documentation. Avoid using nicknames or initials. Provide your date of birth, social security number or SSN, and your full U.S. residential address. Cards and verification require a physical residential address. P.O. boxes are not permitted. To protect your account, set up a passkey using your phone's biometrics like Face ID, fingerprint, or device PIN under Settings, then Security and Privacy. If your submitted information cannot be automatically matched against public records, you will be prompted to complete document verification. You will be asked to upload a photo of a valid, unexpired government-issued ID and take a selfie. Once approved, your virtual X card is activated automatically, allowing you to use it immediately for online purchases or add it to Apple Pay and Google Pay. To access your account number, routing number, and bank details to set up direct deposits or bank transfers, go to Account Details within the Money tab. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.